All right, so we did some brake adjusting. This would be what you're looking for, okay? Bent back straight, nothing moves down below here, okay? So the wiring is all tucked back in there out of the way. All this has been lubricated. I did not adjust anything as far as the brake pedal tightness, but what I did do is adjust the brake pedal switch, and that would be this little round cylindrical piece here hooked to that wiring. Remember how it was pointed up. Now it's firing forward, right? And so when you depress the brake, the switch is released, the brake lights are activated. When you let off the brake pedal travels backwards, it pushes the switch, which disengages the brake lights. So now they shut off. So now this cart will not drive around with the brake lights on forever and ever, okay? That's the difference between a specialist and, well, somebody that just doesn't know, I guess. So anyway, now you know what to look for, okay? So rotate this using these nuts until you get this set properly. Now remember, when this snaps back, if you are the gas pedal accelerator brake releaser, what happens is this is going to snap back and gain some momentum. So what I like to try to do is leave a bit of cushion, right? Because it snaps. And so when it snaps, it doesn't hit the tip right there behind the switch, right? It's kind of hard to touch that. Let me see if I can do that better. All right, so right there, that little tip. And then the piece that moves here is the switch. So that's the switch, right? So you want this piece to touch this. See how that works? Thanks, guys. Stand by for more. Pops Customs.